y lo señalarán y dirán. Mira, ese es el culpable. Y.
A conjunction meaning, and. Pronounced.
A
short, simple sound. It connects clauses, showing a sequence of actions. Here, it links the pointing and the speaking actions.
Lo.
A pronoun meaning, him, or, it, masculine singular, direct object pronoun. Pronounced.
Lo.
A short,
O.
sound. It replaces the previously mentioned noun. Likely a person or thing that has been identified as guilty.
Señalarán.
The third person plural future indicative form of the verb.
Señalar.
Meaning, to point out, or, to indicate. Pronounced.
Sen-yah-lah-rahn.
With the
Ñ.
representing
Ni.
sound and the
R.
slightly rolled. It indicates that a group of people will perform the action of pointing.
Y.
A conjunction meaning, and. Pronounced.
A
short, simple sound. It connects the pointing action with the speaking action.
Dirán.
The third person plural future indicative form of the verb.
Decir.
Meaning, to say, or, to tell. Pronounced.
Dirán.
With a soft
D.
and a slightly rolled
R.
It shows that a group will be saying something.
Mira.
An interjection meaning, look. Pronounced, Mira, with the stress on the first syllable and a slight rise in pitch. It's a command to draw attention to something.
S.
A demonstrative pronoun meaning, that one, masculine singular. Pronounced.
S.
A rather neutral sound. It points to a specific person or thing. Previously identified but not named.
Es.
The third person singular present indicative form of the verb.
Ser.
Meaning, to be. Pronounced.
Es.
A short, simple sound. It functions as a copular linking the subject and the predicate.
El.
The masculine singular definite article meaning, they. Pronounced.
El.
A simple sound. It specifies the guilty party.
Culpable.
An adjective meaning guilty. Pronounced.
Culpable.
With stress on the first syllable. The exclamation point indicates emphasis and conviction. Putting it together.
Mira. Ese es el culpable.
Means, look. That one is the guilty one. Or, look. That's the culprit. Quote. The whole sentence describes an action where a group will point out and declare a specific person as guilty.